Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and present with the new crypto hot project. So today I want to talk about ADS. All the related link you'll get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about trusted and reliable project. So if you do your own research before investing in any project, and if you new to the channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So today I want to talk about Alkimi ADS gets listing on KuCoin. So basically, what is this and how can they will be pumped? What is the expectation from ADS? By which one price we can buy this one token, and how can long we hold this one project, and what is the actual listing time. So I want to give you complete detail about that, but I want to give you some important, I always do research about listing and as well as burning, and as well as any coin have good events. So I already I want to upload it on my YouTube channel, so you must be follow me and subscribe my channel for more interesting video. So right here, if you look to KuCoin is extremely proud to be announced yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Alkimi ADS is now available on KuCoin supported trading pairs ADS USDT and ADS BTC. So this is our listing on the pair of USDT and as well as on BTC. Please take note of the following schedule. So deposit effectively immediately supported network ERC20. So this project are working on ERC20. That means we can buy this one token from Uniswap. And if you look to trading will be alive on 23 December 2021 on 10 AM is the time. If you look to UTC on time UTC, so withdrawal will be on 24 December, means 2021 and 10 December. But I want to give you some detail about withdrawal. So withdrawal means that if you want to directly withdraw this one token from one exchange to other exchange who are listed already on that exchange, so that means this is we will be able to withdraw this one token from this one from this exchange to other exchange. So if you look to total supply, you can already see this is total supply, and this is a market cap. And if you look to this token will be you can see right here. And if you look to consistent protocol, also if you look to circulating supply and 24-hour volume, so issue price, and if you look to cryptographic algorithm, so you are already study about that right here. But if you look to, because whenever we have to search about any coin and any token, first of all we almost study about that, because we don't want to hold our lose our fund. We always want to search about those projects who are already have some potential in the future. So right here I just want to go to coin market cap, because this is already present on coin market cap. And if you look to in 24-hour up and high, you can see in 24-hour they will be touch 0.2864. and if you look to all-time high 24-hour high, so if you look to 0.3941. so right now it will be it is also take a hype up to 24.68%. so this is all about that, and this is a main contract days of I already told about that. This will be work on ERC20. And right here I just want to give you some detail about this one. You can see right here, this is in the trading line of this project. And if you look to the trading line, so we must expectation from this project tomorrow up to they will be touch easily 0.4296. and if you want to place some targets, so I want to give you in this video. So you can see already you also you place the second target is 0.418, and if you want to place another target, then you will be must place 0.383, because this is a main resistance for this token, and after that I just want to go to all-time high of this token. This is not so far. You can see this is a month ago, and this will be almost 90.68% right now, and they will be touch all-time high 3.87. and if you look to this one token you can easily buy from Uniswap. So if you want to buy this one from Uniswap, you must be search on Google Chrome first Uniswap. After that you will be easily able to buy this one token. So I right here my internet connection is not too much stable, that's why I didn't give you some important about that. But if you right here you can see my if I just click on that, and then they will be directly open. Right here you can see we just wait for that. After that they directly want to import in this exchange. But if you don't have you don't find out any token from here, you simply go there, and after that I just want to tell you about that. You simply copy this one address. After that you will come back to this one and click on the select token. After that you will be just paste this one address. After that you will be able to import this one token easily. But right here my connection is not too much better, that's why they have give me error. I want to again try on that. You can see again select a token, and again I want to paste that. After that you can see they will be directly show here, so you can also buy this one token by this one method. You can see right now this is ADS, and you can just click on the import. Right, however I want to click on the import, and you know this token does not appear on the active advice list. Make sure this token is token that you want to trade. So you just click on the import, and after this some token have many requirement, you know about that, because if you look to the main website of this token, right here you can see some token have a proper they want to a slippage. You know about the slippage, what is the slippage. But right here this token or work on ERC20, that means we don't have no need any slippage, because they already gonna to warn some gas fees on ERC20, and also if you look to Uniswap, they directly cut off these fees. After that I just want to give you some introduction about Alkimi, a decentralized replacement to the different insufficient latency programmatic ads exchange with the mission to restore the value exchange between advertiser, publisher and user. So this is a very good decision of that. And if you look to this one token, I want to look the future of this token have more potential, and anytime they will be get a good spike, so you must be participate in that. So if you don't have buy this one token, so I highly recommend you must be take entry in this token. So also if you look to the main Twitter account of this token, right here you can see they have no more any followers. It means community. If you look to the community of this token is almost 14.5k followers, so it is also too much better. You must be also follow this one, because you know many token upload many type of airdrops, and as well as many type of they want to place some events, so you can also follow this one Twitter account. So I hope you like this video about this whole ADS. So if you like the video, so please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. And if you want to free airdrop and giveaways, so you must be join my Telegram channel. I want to give you place the link in my description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.